Today, we're breaking down FreshBooks in 2025, the cloud-based accounting software that's super popular with freelancers, creatives, and small business owners. But is it still worth the price today? Let's find out. FreshBooks still delivers one of the cleanest and most user-friendly dashboards out there. Everything is laid out clearly from time tracking to invoices and expenses. If you're not an accountant, you'll love how intuitive it feels. What makes FreshBooks stand out is how tailored it is to freelancers, consultants, and solo entrepreneurs. You get beautiful invoice templates with payment reminders, built-in time tracking tied to clients or projects, client portal for approving estimates or paying invoices online, and now in 2025, stronger project collaboration tools if you work with a team. Plan starts at $8.40 per month for light, but keep in mind, the number of billable clients is capped unless you upgrade. For growing service businesses, you'll likely end up needing the Plus or Premium plan, which goes up to $50 per month or more. FreshBook integrates smoothly with tools like Stripe, Gusto, Zapier, Shopify, and more. Support is top tier with helpful reps and strong knowledge base if you ever get stuck.